We're starting to look for everyone's luxury. What is yours, Lubona?
Mine obviously is the kitchen. I would say the entertainment area because I'm an entertainer obviously, and the kitchen, I love the fact that the kitchen is just beautiful. The white, the cupboards mixed with the mats and the gloss, it just looks very stunning. There you've got a big cooker. I love cooking, so this will do for me. And you have an extractor there. Separate scullery there.
And a huge scullery at that.
A huge scullery with multiple machine spaces for you there. So everything is actually enough. And I like the fact that they have windows. Despite having the extractor, they still have windows there, Marisha.